on the universe. I'm writing a thing here. Look. So, look at my parents. They're kissing. Pretty disgusting. They're like a numb can of mayonnaise that don't even know how to speak. In the meantime, let's talk about basics. What do you like to do in the meantime? Hunt, swim, drive? Well, I'm going to teach you how to drive. If you want, I can teach you how to drive. First, you put your foot on the gas like this. It goes forward. If you want it to stop, put on the brakes. If it keeps going and you emergency need it to stop, hit the emergency brake. It stops you right this. So, YouTube video.